Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Today we're going to be talking about replacing your lawn and the things that you need to know before you start this process. Okay, this is a complicated process and it's best to know what to do before you start. So stay tuned and I'll be right back and I'll start to explain some of this to you. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. Just wanted to jump in here and say I hope you subscribe to my channel because we're giving away these free tools this month. So don't forget to subscribe. Now back to the video. Okay guys, welcome back. So replacing your lawn. January is the perfect time to start planning this, okay? Because this can be a bit of a process and it takes a lot of planning, a thought process, and everything put in place before you start to do this, okay? And what I'm going to do here for the next few videos is I'm going to start to go over some of these things that you need to know, okay? I know a lot of people that have been through this process and without a plan, they have really neglected some very important steps, and these steps cost them their lawn. So I'm going to make sure that you don't have this problem. We're going to go through these steps one by one. Now it's not going to be all in one video, okay, because this is just, I'm going to break it all down. So it's going to be a few videos that you'll need to watch, and make sure that you watch these videos if you're planning on replacing your lawn and putting in a new lawn for this year, okay? Like I said, January is the perfect time to do this, okay? So I'm just going to go through the list of things that we'll be talking about over the next few videos. That way you'll know each step that you need to take in replacing this lawn, okay? And I think that this is going to be very beneficial to you, especially if you follow these steps, okay? So the first one that we want to talk about in these steps, and there's going to be about 7 or 8 steps. I might throw in some bonus at the end if I think of some other things along the way here. So the first thing we're going to talk about is budget, and that's going to be very important at the very beginning of your project, okay? That's pretty much any project. We need to look at budget. Budget can sometimes go a little bit over, okay? Most of the times they do, okay? It's hard to get a budget right down to the penny. So we're always going to have some fluff money there, okay? So always make sure that you budget this out. So get a breakdown of what you can afford and what you want to do to reach your goal, okay? Because budgeting is very important. All right, so that's the first thing that you need to do is always budget, okay? And like I said, in these next videos, we're going to start breaking everything down, and that way you'll have a clear plan and a clear vision on what you need to do. So the next one is we're going to talk about soil health, okay? We're going to talk about the soil health, and that's a huge one too. We need to make sure our soil is up to par. That way the grass can grow. Whether it's seed or sod or whatever you want to do. That way it'll have the right pH, it'll have the right soil that it needs to grow in to do its best, okay? And we want it to do its best from the start. We don't want to struggle from the start, okay? So soil health is very important. The third one is site prepping. We want to make sure that we have everything in line there. We don't want to run into our landscaping beds. We want to make sure that everything is cleaned up and ready for prepping it. And that's very important. We'll need to go over that. A lot of things can happen during a site prep, okay? So you need to make sure that these steps that I go over are really followed, okay? Especially during the site prep. A lot of people just think you just kind of till things up or remove the grass in some way, but it needs to be prepared correctly, and we're going to go over that. So number four is going to be choosing the right grass, okay? Now we all know this is an important step because if we get the wrong grass and we don't have enough sun for it or whatever the case, we're really going to be disappointed because after we put all this time into it and all this money, we want to make sure that we choose the right grass for the area it needs to grow in, okay? And over the next few videos, we're going to go over those. We're going to go over each grass, and we're going to kind of break that down for you and make sure that you pick the right grass for where you live. Also, we need to know about number 5. We're going to need to know about the amount of sunlight we're going to be putting this type of grass in. Okay, so we all know how important that is. I mean, when I moved to this home, I had areas where they had a bunch of centipede, and then it ran into a shaded area, and centipede doesn't grow into that area of shade. So then they had some fescue in there. So unless you're wanting a lawn that has different types of grasses, we're going to need to know the type of sunlight. Okay, and like I said, we're going to go into that in the next few videos. So we're going into number 6 here, and we're going to talk about installation, what we need to do, how we're going to get the product, where we're going to get the product from, and how to install it. Whatever you choose, seed or sod, I'm going to go over each one of those and how we're going to do that and the correct way of doing that. And then we're going to go into, do you want to hire a professional or do you want to do it your way? Do you want to be a DIYer? I can tell you from experience that it can go either way. If you want to put the hard work into it, then go for it. And I really recommend that, because when this is done, you will really be really proud of what you've accomplished and what it looks like. So the DIY route is great. And if you don't want to put a lot of work in it and you want it done really quick, a professional may be your route. So we're going to go into all that, the pros and cons of both of them, and I think you're really going to enjoy the next few videos. So I hope you tune in for the next few videos that we're going to be doing here, and you're going to learn a lot, and I hope you stay tuned. The next video we do will be on budgeting for your lawn renovation or lawn replacement. We'll go pretty much in depth in that as far as we can, and that way you guys will have everything you need to get this project done. Okay guys, so that's it for now. So we have a lot of videos coming up, and I hope you enjoy them. I'm gonna go in as much depth as I can for you guys, that way you have everything you need. So thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.